Today we will make crispy chicken. The foundation is the coating. In this bowl, we're combining 1 cup of flour with half a cup of cornstarch. This is the crispy secret. Season heavily: paprika, garlic, onion powder, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk it up and dredge that chicken until every inch is covered. Place the wire rack on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Space them out. This setup is key to avoiding soggy bottoms. Preheat to 425 degrees. This high heat is the secret to that perfect crunch. Now, in they go for 20 minutes. There it is! Incredibly textured and crunchier than you ever thought possible from an oven. Juicy, flavorful, and easy. Enjoy your crispy baked chicken. Hey! Get back here!